Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect Instagram with Facebook. So first of all, open Instagram apps. Now I'm showing you a very simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. Click onto profile. Look at the right side, tap onto three line. Go to account center. Click on. Select the add account. Choose the Facebook option. Then automatically show into Facebook account, or click on to not you. Use different account. Now showing here to Facebook login option, just click on to log in your Facebook account, then automatically connect Instagram and Facebook. I'm selecting this, continue. Okay, now done. Now successfully connect Instagram with Facebook. So that's how we can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more videos.